Dog's been sleeping in. I got out yours, or just a check up on their snow propellers. They're working quite well. You got to put up to about here in the ground, so that you barely hear them. And that's how they work. They will transmit their vibrations through the ground. The snakes will sense that and they won't like it. So, where I am here, I can't hear any go off. So, many of my future videos in this caravan are going to be buzz and beep free. So, that's alright. So, nothing to worry about. No buzzers or beeps here. So, I'm going to be quiet. Yeah, I might try wire this up, do some tests, put a load to it. Let's hook a light bulb and stuff to it. Let's give it a good test, see if it trips or not. The circuit breaker part will still work. There's nothing wrong with that, it just won't be an RCD anymore. 63 amp breaker. It will still act as a normal breaker, but it won't work as an RCD. See if it hooked up, just if it just doesn't work. Press the test button, nothing's happening. There you go. It's not an RCD anymore, but it's just a circuit breaker. Why no trip? It's not tripping because it's burning out. Let's see if I was burning out an RCD. It's smoking. Look at that. I'm going to take this outside. It's burning out, there's smoke coming out of it. Oh well, let's set it, trip it up and put this thing outside and it can burn up all at once. It's like a resistor in there burning. Yeah, it's a resistor burn. What it's doing is running a little CFL. Light output, 120 watt incandescent equivalent. $23 watt, yeah, that's the brightest CFL you can get. And it's burning out the bloody RCD. I'm glad this thing was never used as a circuit breaker, even if the RCD didn't work. Still unsafe, but had we left it in service, even just as a circuit breaker, it probably would have burnt the bloody place down. Pretty efficient light, but the RCD don't like efficient CFLs, does it? Pretty safe to touch the front part. I wonder if holding the button down makes a difference how it burns out. Hear the smoke coming out of it now. Yep, the RCD is toast. Literally toast. I'm holding the button down, it's not making, yeah. But holding that there wasn't really making much difference, I don't think. Yeah, the RCD's toast. Here we go, a Smokey RCD. Yeah. There we are. If you get an RCD that doesn't trip when you press the test button and it's wired up correctly, I initially thought, speaking of ones that don't test, we have ones at work, and in this particular situation they're switching the motor on and off. Now I didn't notice at first, but if you don't have a neutral hooked up, this function does not work. They've just got the 3 phases going to the motor and that's it, and you just use this as a switch. And that explains why the test button doesn't work. So it's not actually an RCD, it's wired up as a circuit breaker. But in this particular situation, they're only using it just to switch the motor on and off, and as a breaker only, so they've only got the 3 phases. So if you're only using the 3 phases and not the neutral, this function doesn't do anything. It's a breaker, not an RCD, but when you wire it with a neutral, if you've got a 5-pin plug, you'd have to, yeah, it would trip. But in a 4-pin plug, your 3 phases in the earth, no, you don't get the neutral, so therefore it won't trip when you press the test button. Try holding it down again, see it, and look carefully, more smoke comes out. Nah, no more smoke. The system might have completely failed. Yeah, it's not getting any hotter. Alright, save this one for the PFC cap pack. Anyway, next thing this is going to get is a capacitor bank. Hopefully if I get a chance over the weekend I'll try and pop it in. So for now, thanks for watching.